Hello everyone, this is Gulzar Munawwar Hussain from Pakistan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss types of research writing. Hope it will help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to keep connected. There are several types of research that can be categorized based on their purpose, approach, and methodology. Here are some of the most common types of research with practical examples. 1. Basic research. This type of research aims to expand the knowledge base in a particular field of study, without necessarily having a specific practical application in mind. For example, a scientist conducting research on the properties of subatomic particles is conducting basic research. 2. Applied research. This type of research seeks to address specific practical problems or issues, such as developing a new drug or improving a manufacturing process. For example, a pharmaceutical company conducting research on a new drug is conducting applied research. 3. Quantitative research. This type of research involves the collection and analysis of numerical data using statistical methods. For example, a market research firm conducting a survey of consumers to determine their preferences for a product is conducting quantitative research. 4. Qualitative research. This type of research involves the collection and analysis of non-numerical data, such as interviews, focus groups, and observation. For example, a sociologist conducting research on the experiences of immigrants in a new country is conducting qualitative research. 5. Experimental research. This type of research involves the manipulation of variables to test a hypothesis and establish cause and effect relationships. For example, a psychologist conducting research on the effect of sleep deprivation on memory retention might conduct an experimental study. 6. Survey research. This type of research involves the use of surveys to collect data from a sample of individuals or groups. For example, a political scientist conducting research on voting behavior might conduct a survey of registered voters. 7. Case study research. This type of research involves an in-depth analysis of a specific individual, group, or phenomenon. For example, a business researcher might conduct a case study on a successful company to understand the factors that contributed to its success. Overall, there are many different types of research, and the type of research that is conducted will depend on the research question, the available resources, and the research design. I hope that it helps you a lot. Share this with your friends so that they can also have the concept about types of research writing. Thank you so much for your time.